Nigga, ice me out. Ice me out. Ice me out. Ice me out. Nigga, ice me out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsea and welcome. Guess what I got? I got the Bretman collection, the wet collection, his collection with Colourpop in the mail. As soon as I got off work, I ran to the mailbox, and I opened it and I was just like, ah! I was just like freaking out because it's so cute. It's so nice. And lately I've just been feeling blues, like, yeah, the color blue, well, just cool tone colors, period. So when I saw this, I knew I had to get my hands on it. Like I have palettes like Lit. Like Lit is a nice palette. It's beautiful in itself. But I have colors like Lit already. Therefore, I didn't want to purchase anymore. So I'm going to be inserting the swatches here. Okay, you guys, this is the palette. I got the wet eyeshadow palette with the lippy. Here's the palette itself. Ooh, it's looking good. The colors in order are She's Finished, which is like a light blue. I'm Chilling, which is like a matte blue. LOL, I'm Crying, which is like a shimmer turquoisey blue. Skinny Legend, which is like a soft tannish pink. Mood, which is a true blue shimmer. Then there's Fishy, which is like a reflective green tone blue. Then Thickums, which is a beautiful silver. And then Awa Beach, which is like a nice brown. Then we have the wet lippy portion. That is She Cute, which is the ultra satin lip. It's a peachy nude color. Then we have Kumquat, which is clear. It's blue in the packaging, but it's actually clear and it smells like vanilla and it's so nice. And lastly, we have the BFF3 lip liner by Colourpop, which is a girl's best friend. And that's it. Now that you guys have seen the swatches, let's get straight into it. Starting off with one that I already done off camera, I'm gonna go start on this eye. For eye primer today, I'm using my e.l.f. primer stick in neutral. Now dipping into the palette, I'm gonna take I'm Chillin', this matte blue right here. Oh wait, that is not I'm Chillin', that's LOL I'm Crying. Y'all, LOL I'm crying at myself for pointing at the wrong shade. I'm Chillin', this matte blue shade right here. And I'm going to put this in my transition area and bring it out to my crease. Now to blend out the edges, I'm gonna dip into Skinny Legend and blend it out. I'm dipping back into I'm Chillin' to build back up that blue back in there. Now taking a different brush, I'm going back into the palette with I'm Chillin' right here, and I'm gonna put it on the inner and outer part of the lid. Next, I'm taking a crease brush and I'm going into Mood. And I'm gonna put it on the inner, outer part of the lid as well as bringing it into the crease. Now it's time for the fun part. I am going to do a halo eye. So in order to do my halo, I'm going to cut the crease a little bit using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toffee. Now that that is done, I'm going to take Thickums, this silvery metallic shade right here, and I'm going to press her onto the lid. Now that that's on there to my liking, I'm gonna go back into the palette and take Mood and blend it into the silver a bit. Now I'm just gonna take my liquid liner and do a small line off camera, and I'm gonna clean up the under eye, and I'll be back with my foundation so we can do highlight and lips and whatnot. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I went on ahead and did my foundation and lashes, and I contoured, well, contour bronze. And surprisingly, I didn't use my same old. I actually used a color from the wet palette, Ewa. I know I'm probably butchering it, but this brown color right here, I used it to contour bronze whatever with, and surprisingly, I like this color more than I like my Old Faithful, which is the, you already know, the L'Oreal Infallible Pomade in Cocoa. But this color right here is brown girl friendly for contour and bronzing. Like if you're my color, maybe a shade darker and up, it'll work for you. And this is cunt. I'm feeling very cunty right now. Back to our routine. Before I do highlight and the lower lash line, I'm going to cut my contour a bit using my you already know, the Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder in medium deep. We're gonna go straight to the eyes. We're gonna go straight to the eyes. First, I'm going to line my lower lash line with some black kohl liner. Okay, dipping back into the palette, I'm gonna take Mood right here, and I'm gonna put it on the inner and the outer part of the lower lash line. Okay. Then dipping back into the palette, I'm gonna take Thickums, and I'm gonna place her in the center of the lower lash line. To blend Thickums and Mood better together, I'm gonna take I'm Chillin' and place it in between the parts. Ooh! Ah! Okay, now that's done, we're gonna go on and wipe away this little bank we got going on up under our contour. Now I'm gonna set my face using my L'Oreal Makeup Extender Setting Spray. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using Conceited by Artist Couture. Now it's time for lips. So I did get the lip collection, the wet lip collection, as you saw earlier in the video. And I'm going to be wearing all three, gloss and all. Look at her. So first I'm going to line my lips with the BFF3 Lippy Pencil. And now I'm going to put on the Ultra Satin Lip called She Cute or whatever. I mean, She Cute. It's not or whatever, but She Cute. And now I'm gonna go on top of this with kumquat. Wow, ew, why did he have to name it? Why did he have to name it kumquat? It's like clear and it looks like nut. Ooh. It does have a good smell. It's like, it smells like vanilla or whatever. this is the finished look. I'll be right back with like my hair and outfit and whatever. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I put on an outfit, put on a scarf. I didn't really worry about my edges. You know, they alright, they'll be alright. But yeah, this is the finished look. Here's my take on the Bretman palette. Well, Bretman Top's Colourpop collection, the wet portion of it. I really do like it. My favorite part of this whole collection was the palette itself. You can use it for so many things. Like, you can, if you're dark enough, you can use this for bronzer contour. You can use this as a shimmer. All these blues, it's like so many different tones. This has like a green with like, this is a true blue. This is like a shiny turquoisey blue. It's like so many things and ideas I have popping in my head when I look in this palette, and I'm so like in love with it. Ooh. Like, I'm so in love with it, and it's so beautiful, and it's just a palette full of fun. Like, it's beautiful, and I love it. Something I didn't care too much for about the wet part of the collection was the satin lip. I'm not I thought this was gonna be a darker than what it was, but it's like more peachy, and it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful color. It's just, I'm not a peachy nude. I'm a pinky mauvey nude. I'm not even a pinky. I'm mauve brown nudes. Like, that is my bee's knees. You heard me? Like, I love those kinds of nudes, but this is still a beautiful color. I will use it again with a darker lip and make some kind of concoction in the future. I ain't mad at it. Another thing I didn't care for in the collection that I obviously didn't get was the blush. I think the blush for the wet side was like a corally one. I don't have anything against coral blushes. I just didn't need it or didn't care for it. But I'm pretty sure it's still a beautiful color. Colourpop, you did a really good job. Colors were pigmented. In fact, I probably didn't even need an eye primer. That's how pigmented these blues were. And this silver is shapoppin'. Okay. But yeah, congratulations, Bretman. Your collection is beautiful, and I'm in love. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. See you on the next time. Deuces.